Facebook. How's it going? Okay, so you guys, today Michael is going to be cooking. Oh, let me go run and cut this light off really quick. Michael's going to be cooking chicken fried rice. Ooh, so I think it's going to be really good, darling.
Hey, everybody.
Okay.
They couldn't even see you.
Oh, they couldn't see you? Oh, we'll get in there. There we go. All right.
Want to invite people.
What, to invite people?
Yeah.
Let me see. I always forget how to invite folks sometimes. Let me see. Alright, we got a couple of people. Alright, I invited some. So hopefully they'll be on here shortly. Alright, so I'm fixing to let Michael, I'm going to flip the camera around and he's going to show us what all we're going to need. Alright, darling, go ahead.
Alright, so we got cooked rice over here.
It's already done?
Yeah.
What?
You ain't gotta just let it finish doing that. Let it warm up. Keep warming up.
Yeah, I got the light on. Okay.
Lightly beaten egg, garlic, and of course chicken, minced onion, black pepper,
Tony Satcheries.
garlic powder. And I got some olive oil going in the oven. I mean on the pan right now, and then I'm gonna put a little
On
bit
this
of
pan
vegetable oil.
here. This pan?
Yep, got a little bit of vegetable oil going.
I'm just gonna move that around. Make sure it
Okay,
coats
really?
everything. Okay, I just want to make sure it coated everything. It was looking a little ashy there.
Oh, really? You using my words now?
Mm-hmm. All right, so.
So just make sure it's hot.
Oh!
Ah!
Boy, you did that on purpose. I'm gonna bust you upside your head.
Yeah, I'm trying to burn you. Oh, but it's popping.
It sure is, and I'm fixing to stand back. All right, for the ones that are just now joining us, folks, we are making, or Michael is making shrimp fried rice.
Chicken fried rice.
Excuse me, chicken fried rice. I can't even rest. What is chicken fried rice? Chicken fried rice, excuse me. When you gonna season your meat?
I got this.
Well, the people want to know.
Calm down.
Okay, well, so how many chicken breasts did you use?
2.
2 chicken breasts. Michael cut them up into cubes.
They say this feeds about 6 people. I don't know
About
what
6
they
people?
talking about. These 6 people must be real skinny and on diets.
Yeah, I guess so.
So just a little Tony.
You know, we trying to. I gotta go back to the store and get the salt free.
No, just a little bit. They say it in there.
Oh, and then what was that? Garlic powder.
Garlic.
Thank y'all so much for joining. We really appreciate you guys. So,
Black pepper.
for the ones that are just now joining, Michael is making chicken fried
And
rice.
some I don't use.
Minced onion. Woo, that's a good seasoning right there.
I don't
Go
use onion.
ahead and mince it on there, darling. All right now.
You want to just lightly season it.
Well, that looks like a lot of seasoning.
No, that's because it's all in one spot.
Oh, why are you using that spoon? You know, my favorite spoon.
What? No, because I got to add some other stuff to this.
Oh.
So what you want to do is just let that cook until the chicken is brown. Why are you watching me?
The people want to see who cooking, but they also want to see.
Oh, and then you want to put frozen peas and carrots in there close to the end of it.
And again, you guys, we already have the rice right here, okay? So right now the chicken is cooking.
This sure don't look like enough chicken.
You sure don't. We like to eat. Well, you better make it enough.
Yeah.
know, Capono. I saw y'all over there.
Well, Jack still did sound good, didn't it?
Yeah, it does sound good.
What you get, your avocado burger?
Ooh, you know that's what I like, the avocado burger. Alright, so we're just waiting for this chicken. Ooh, y'all, this chicken sure do smell good. Won't he do it? You can say thank you.
Thank you.
Goodness gracious.
Well, I know.
You tried it.
So we just gonna drain the chicken when it's finished cooking. That's all. That's the onion that's in there.
Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, y'all, if you're thirsty, don't forget you can go by Sonic today. They have their slushies, one flavor for 79 cents.
I shouldn't have put garlic powder in there.
You guys can thank me later.
I shouldn't have put garlic powder in there.
Oh, yeah, because you got that garlic.
So basically, just get half of a tablespoon of garlic and just sprinkle it in there.
Okay. And we're going to put the other one back in the, since we used the garlic powder.
Yeah. I didn't even put that much garlic powder though.
Oh, okay. Louie, what you doing? Louie, you look guilty. And stay on the bed. Louie's a cutie pie. That's our baby. Your mama's baby.
That water came out the chicken.
It did. That looked good.
Oh, did you tell everybody the good news?
I'm going to tell them at the end of the video.
Well, this one going up there, ain't it?
We have some surprise news. We'll tell y'all at the end of the video.
You sure ain't talking? You know, I don't normally talk.
Capono say he gonna start calling you homeboy RD. Alright, so how much longer do you think for the chicken?
About 2 more minutes.
Okay. So then you gonna put the egg in?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to drain this chicken first. And then fix the egg.
Alright, hello. I see we got some new joiners here. So you guys, we are making chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice for the ones that are just now joining us.
And carrots.
Oh, hold on. Back to the... Off of me, back to the food. Alright.
That's just frozen peas and carrots.
This here is just frozen peas and carrots, you guys.
Echo.
So... Ooh, that just looked good by itself.
So basically what we're doing is just warming up the peas and carrots for right now.
Are they really frozen?
No.
No, you let them defrost?
I wasn't supposed to.
Oh.
I forgot.
Alright, y'all, come on in. Come join us. That looks really good. So again, you guys, we just have the chicken, and then we just added a bag of peas and carrots. It's always better to use fresh frozen vegetables than canned vegetables. You know, I no longer eat canned vegetables anymore. I just get the frozen.
It's better to just get it yourself and just... So you want to turn the fire up a little bit.
Turn it up? So, what do you have it on now? You have it probably on almost close to high.
Now you see it's none but that grease that popped back there.
I know.
And this is just to cook some of the water out the peas here.
So then, are you going to drain all that?
Nope. Don't have to.
Oh, I thought you said you did.
I thought I did too, but apparently I don't.
I ain't got my music going in the background. That's why it's so quiet.
Hey, you better turn on Alexa.
It's okay. Oh yeah, this looks so good. So what Michael is doing now, you guys, pushing everything to the side. I'm guessing you're gonna put your egg right here.
Yeah.
No. Oh, well go on ahead, Mr. Jenkins. What you putting right there in that little slot?
My egg.
I just said the egg.
I know it sounded better when I said it.
Well, I want to pour the egg.
Yeah, too bad. Because when you was cooking the other day, you wouldn't let me help with nothing.
You know that ain't smart to put that on there.
That's not even hot.
It might be. All right, so you're just gonna put everything in here,
For right now.
juice and all.
Nope. No juice. That's what needs to come out. That's actually that juice from the chicken. Apparently you got the chicken that had a bunch of water in it.
Okay, well, while he's doing that, ooh, you guys, I need a little drink of my slushy. Let me tell y'all how good this slushy is. I got the strawberry slushy, you guys. This is good to my soul.
Can you do me a favor and open up that that soy sauce?
That's a good slushy, y'all. Okay, hold on. Where's my little stuff? Let me see. I might have to set y'all down while I open up the soy sauce here. Ooh, that light is bright. Okay. How you open it? Michael, you gonna have to get there.
Okay, but don't worry about it.
You know, I got nails now. I can't afford to bring no nails. That's why I'll never get nails. Alright, so I'm going to get back to the pot for y'all.
And then this is just 2 eggs that's lightly beaten. That's all.
Ooh, that look good. Y'all, I love me some eggs. I can literally eat 5 eggs. So pretty much what this is going to do is going to cook. And then Michael's going to stir it in together. Right, Michael?
Mm-hmm. So basically, you're cooking it like scrambled eggs.
Okay. The Hawaiian soy sauce. What the heck, we didn't know. All right, all right. That's gonna do look good.
And once your eggs are almost done, just go ahead and mix them in together.
Mix, mix. Oh, I wanna mix, mix. Ooh, that sure do look good. And that was enough egg?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's coming along. So again, you all, for the ones that are just now joining us, Michael is making chicken fried rice. No more Panda Express.
No more Panda Express.
Mm-hmm. If it tastes better, I ain't going back. Capono said you know about that Hawaiian sauce.
Yeah, I had that thing out.
All I got to say is y'all better cook them beans pretty soon.
Rice when you come out. This one, a rice cooker would have came in handy.
Oh, yeah. So we're just transferring the rice to the big pot. Oh, so we transferring everything to the big pot. Wait, did you get everything? All the goodies out of there?
Everything is out. God, Lee, greedy.
Boy, you better get all that stuff out of there. I'm
That's
not finna
good.
play with you.
No.
Now, you know good and well we can't waste no valuable egg, carrot, peas, or nothing.
Calm down.
Alright, yeah. I think Michael said we'll be there.
Yeah, we're going to see the Avengers in the morning. If y'all haven't, if anybody hasn't bought their tickets yet to see the Avengers, I advise to do it now.
Because even our small little town is pretty much sold out, huh?
Yeah, that morning, and we going at 9:30 in the morning.
Yeah. That one at the AMC, was that sold out?
AMC wasn't sold out. They was just hot.
That's ridiculous. Alright.
All right, so
That looks good, darling.
what we had on the recipe, it says to add the soy sauce.
You gotta do it.
Oh, you couldn't get it?
No, I didn't want to break it down. Please be careful. Oh, that sounds like alcohol.
Yep.
Woo! Not on that hot stove. That'll break. Alright, y'all. So we have some newcomers here making chicken fried rice. Thank you, Aunt Arlene. I hope your night is going well. Oh, that sure do look good. It would be even better if we had some shrimp.
Yep.
Oh well, next time we gotta see how this come out. If it don't
Got
come
some
out
corn and
good,
stuff.
if it don't come out good, you're fired.
That's fine.
But that don't mean I'm cooking.
Yeah, it do.
Hey, Miss Williams.
So you just want to just make sure everything is well combined. Don't see no white spots with the rice.
Which looks like there's just maybe just a couple of white spots.
I know.
Oh, excuse me. Well, thank you, thank you. This is all Michael's doing tonight. I am in charge of the camera.
You want to taste it? See if I need some salt and pepper.
Do I?
Oh, I'm wasting.
Okay, I just need a spoon. Alright. This is a moment of truth, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know. That's too big of a spoonful.
Well, just put it all in your. Just put it
It's
all
hot.
up in your mouth.
It's hot. Moment of truth. Yeah.
Tastes good? Mm-hmm. Or do it need a little bit more salt and pepper? Okay. So, I know you don't like this step.
Red pepper flake.
Mm-hmm.
For what? Did the recipe call for that? No.
Yes, it does. And it's not even a lot.
This is actually an easy recipe. I didn't think it was gonna be this easy.
They say better than takeout.
Chelsea, hey girl.
All right, taste enough. I should have made some General Tso chicken to go with it.
Another moment of truth. Good dip.
You could put on mess with it.
I finished staying component. All right.
All right, and I'm gonna add a little parsley to it, just a small batch. Nothing major.
Y'all know we gotta
Just
have
some
our parsley.
Color.
Some color or garnishment.
That's it. Bam. Bam. There it is.
And there it is. Okay. Y'all, we are done. This is going to be our dinner tonight. Something quick, simple. I think this will be good, especially if you have kids, huh? We don't have kids, but I know a lot of our viewers do.
Is that the surprise we about to tell everybody?
No. Lies you tell.
No, that's yours. No.
That's mine. Okay. Okay, Tamika, we will. Tamika wants me to send her the recipe. You got Tamika's number? Okay, I'll give it to you. Okay. So, you guys, surprise time.
We got a YouTube channel.
Wait, I didn't want to introduce it like that. You guys asked,
Really?
and we listened. We got a YouTube channel.
Got a YouTube channel.
Get over here, Michael,
What?
and act more
I'm trying to
excited.
cook. See? He acts like he's a professional.
Oh,
I am
please.
a professional.
Oh, please, get out the daggum camera. Anyways, so,
We got a YouTube channel. What is it called?
Michael, you the one who...
Oh, shoot. I don't even know.
How you gonna tell the folks we got a YouTube channel? You don't even know the name of the YouTube channel.
Okay. Calm down. It's not that serious.
It is if people want to see the YouTube channel.
Hold on. Oh, it's Cooking with the Smith Jenkins Household. DeLacy will post the link on her.
Yes, I sure
Capone
will.
say y'all pregnant.
Oh boy, bye. No. There ain't no hoodlums running around here. I see everybody
We were
else is
cooking
an outcast.
chicken fried rice. Show everybody how it look.
Okay.
That's the finished product.
This here is the finished product. Ooh, y'all. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Look what
I
my
shoulda had
darling
some
did.
Shrimp to go in there for real.
Let me go ahead and do the beat.
Hold on, we doing two different beats.
What
I'm
beat
thinking
are you
doing?
doing?
Brock Lesnar, you doing Eye of the Tiger.
We're doing Eye of the
I
Tiger.
thought we was doing Brock Lesnar.
What's Brock Lesnar's? Boy, do you go? Why don't they hit my pots and pans like that? Boy, these some expensive pans. You better get your butt
What?
off these pans.
You are not
Anyway,
just your pots.
well, whatever.
Show is over.
Boy, I'm gonna make you think. I'm gonna make you think this show is over. I'm gonna bust you upside your dadgum head.
Oh, you supposed to curse.
Anyways, hey Twala. Anyways, what was I gonna say?
Oh, get them tea leaf sweet treats.
Oh yes, you guys, get Twala's Tea Leaf Sweet Treats.
I can't eat
Twala,
them
we
all.
got to start getting paid, girl.
Well, I can't eat that much. You know, I can't really have that much sugar.
I know. I'm not supposed to have that much sugar either, but they were
Too bad.
good.
They were still good.
But I ate them all, or we did. Okay, so you guys, again, we do have our new YouTube channel. Seriously, Cooking with the Smith Jenkins Household.
Sooner or later, it'll just be Jenkins.
I know it's still gonna be Smith Jenkins. Thank you. And we're gonna upload this video on here.
And then we already got the other one on there.
We already have one video.
I'm gonna
on
try
there.
to find the one when she burnt down the kitchen trying to cook ground beef, and that one really gonna be on there.
Oh, so you gonna put that one on there?
Oh, that one was funny.
Because you didn't want to come down and save me. You dilly-dallying down the steps.
I just saw smoke everywhere.
Anyways.
That one might get you to go viral.
Shut your
We can make some money off of that.
Boy, I ain't finna fool with you. Okay.
Why you got the camera all up in my face?
It's in both of our faces. Okay, you guys, so we're about to eat just a week that, you know, we can't stay up too late. But we love you guys. Go check out our YouTube channel.
Love y'all too. We both gonna post it on our page.
Yeah. So, thanks for being our faithful viewers.
If we get big, we might have a like page.
I thought we already had a like page.
No. Nobody like you. They like me. I bring the entertainment.
Well,
I am the
I
star.
bring the
I am the
entertainment.
star of this show.
Well, I'm make you think you the star of this show. The only thing you the star of is eating my cooking.
Do I eat it?
You do eat it, because you be going back for second, third,
See,
fourth,
there
and
you
fifth.
go. Always talking about fourths and fifths. I never went for thirds, fourths, or fifths.
You
Never went
did
for
go
sec-
back for thirds.
I went for seconds.
And
was it.
thirds.
I went for seconds. I have never went for thirds. First of all, I would have to go back for thirds. You right. I did go back for thirds. You just don't put enough on my plate.
Well, according to my health management lady, it's about portioning. You ain't got to have a big glob on your plate.
You right. I ain't gotta have a big glob on my plate, but still gotta eat.
Okay, well,
You ready?
Swanita said I'm the star. Thank you, Swanita.
She's a hater.
Oh, well, whatever. Okay, you guys, so we really do gotta get off. We hope you guys enjoyed the show. Again, check
How
out
long
our
was it?
YouTube channel and
You say Bluetooth?
YouTube.
We're gonna have to get off of YouTube because I may want to say some words.
YouTube. Okay, anyways, for the 5th time,
Nighttime.
have a good night, you guys.
All right, hold on. Let me put it in the bowl so everybody can see how it look before you hang up. So they can see the chicken and everything up in it.
My God, I showed them the big
I
pot.
want to. They can see the chicken now. So you can see the chicken and then the little peas. They're gonna have like a sweet burst of flavor. Then you got your carrots and then you got the rice with a little hint of soy sauce on it.
Are you in English class trying to learn how to produce adjectives and use that in a
I'm trying to be a
sentence?
science major. Okay,
A science major.
that's what they do. They go into details. Okay. I
Go
don't know.
ahead.
I'm just talking right
I
now.
know you just talking.
You.
Oh! Get
Anyways, back to what I fixed. This is a disaster piece.
disaster piece.
I call it a disaster piece. I just threw stuff in the pot and then mixed up together. That was pretty much it. But bye, you guys. We love y'all.
Okay. Bye.